Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a very strange look, something I don't usually do, but I am reviewing the new Hoodwitch collection by Smashbox. I just want to peep one of the products. Like, look at her. She is just freaking disgusting. Oh my god. So beautiful. I can't even deal with the packaging, so I had to review and do a look on it, and this is it. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Eye Perfection Primer, and this is shade Bright Illuminator number 4. I'm just going to apply this all over my eye. I don't know if you guys can see what is going on here, but I woke up with a massive amount of pimples, fine pimples, big pimples. I don't know what happened, or something I ate. But yeah, so what I did was I tried the cupping that people do for like stays and stuff like that, because my sister had these like cupping things, and then I was just like, okay, let me try it. So I did my full skincare routine at night, and then I took the cupping and I did it all over my face, and this morning I woke up and it was gone. Not one pimple inside, but it did pull all the blood to my skin, so you can see like those little dots when you suck your arm when you get a hickey, and then all these like dots of like blood. I don't know what it look here. I don't even know what I'm explaining, but what I can say is it seriously leave some marks, but it should be gone by tomorrow. But at least the pimples is gone. It was like magic. I woke up in the morning and I was like, did I dream that? I dreamed that I had all that pimples, and I just tried the cupping and now it's gone. I was shook. But yeah, it worked like a bomb. So every time I get a pimple, I'm just gonna do my skincare and start cupping this face. It was really cool. Look at it. Enough story time. Eyeshadow base on. Love this eyeshadow base. I am now going to be trying out the new crystal collection, and it's called the Hoodwitch. Look how gorgeous this is. Don't you just want to like, I love you. So beautiful, right? This is an eyeshadow palette. Stunning, stunning. I know, but you are gonna die when you see this one. I feel like it deserved that. Look how stunning that is. Oh my god, Smashbox, you are showing off. Seriously. I am going to be using the Always On liquid eyeshadow, and this is shade Dream Prism. I'm actually just going to be applying this all over my lid because I'm obsessed with this color and I want to look like a princess. So I'm not actually using the eyeshadow palette. I'm using the liquid eyeshadows because they're just too gorgeous. But I mean, like, how do you feel about this packaging? Because I'm just like so shook by it. Smashbox is killing their game. All the other brands gotta watch out. I'm trying to figure out how this is gonna dry because it's really wet. I'm quite intrigued. But I'm gonna take my finger and just blend around the edges because nobody want no hard edge. Especially if I want to like wear this out, you know, realistically, then I would like it to be blended. Oh, so glittery. The glitter is like ending up on my finger, and then it doesn't move the purple around, but it moves the like the gold glitter, so I can like touch my brow bone, and then the little gold glitter would be there as well, which is like so cool. I don't know if it's meant to do that or if they've done that by mistake, but it works, honey. I'm sorry, I'm excited about this collection. Really excited. And she ain't sponsored. This is not sponsored. Should have been. If I knew I was gonna love it this much. I'm kidding. Kidding! Guys, if I sound funny, it's because my nose is blocked. I have a headache. I'm sweating right now with the fever. But you know what? Okay, I'm probably gonna have to blow my nose while I'm in the middle of foundation because, you know, Murphy's Law. But I'm gonna hope that I don't blow my nose. I've been blowing my nose like the whole time before this video, and I'm really hoping it's not gonna start again, or my eyes are not gonna start watering because I'm sneezing the whole time. But I gotta do this, you know, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, honey. That's all I want to do. I just, you know, let's just leave it at that, because that is so pretty. That is just so pretty. I love this eyeshadow. Wow. And the packaging is just like so bomb. Did I just say bomb? I just said that without even realizing. Who is hanging out with me that makes me say bomb? Guys, eyeshadow on. I'm going to be applying these gorgeous lashes by my girl Lindy Lynn. Like, I'm so proud of you. She got a new studio. She got a lash line. That girl is just doing the most. I'm so proud of her. Like, the studio is gorgeous. If you are in Cape Town and you need your makeup done, just head on down to Lindy Lynn's studio. Okay, so I had to pull off quite a lot of glue before I started using them, because there was quite a lot of glue on the lash, because it obviously needs to stick to the packaging. But you know what, that's fine, I have time for that, because the lash is gorgeous, so I definitely have some time to pull off some glue. Yeah, it's very thick, it's just so stunning. I'm just gonna cut off a piece at the end of here, because she's a tad too long. Guys, I'm going to go on to primer, and I'm going to be using the Smashbox, the Hoodwitch collection, and this is the crystallized primerizer. And you guys know, if you've watched a few of my last videos, that I'm in love with the primerizer by Smashbox, and now they've created this gorgeous one with a shimmer in it as well, which is just like everything to me. Like, did you create this primer for me, or what? She smells amazing as well. Now I'm going to be going on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in Classic Tan. And this foundation is so beautiful. Nice coverage. It settles nicely. But I've noticed that only under a really good primer and moisturizer. Never apply this foundation to bare skin, please. Okay guys, so as you can see, I never apply foundation around my eye area, and that is because skin there is very thin, and foundations can have a lot of active ingredients in it, which can sometimes be harmful for that thin skin. And if you damage the skin, it does darken over time. So I just always avoid foundation around that area. I only apply concealer. But also another reason for this is that you don't want to stop that skin from allowing to breathe. So I apply very little makeup there, and if you apply very little makeup, you'll notice that it will be less creasing underneath the eye. But I'm going to be applying the Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer now, which for the first time I am using, because I've actually never tried an under eye primer in general. I've actually never came across one, so this is going to be interesting. I would imagine this is to stop the creasing from happening. Also keep the concealer on for longer. And like, not on for longer, but more flawless, and just remained, just let it like sit all day. I'm going to be applying the contour and highlight sticks now from Smashbox, and I'm just going to go on top of the foundation as close to the eye as possible, and I'll just blend with the beauty blender around that area. Oh, that is gorgeous. Now I'm going to be trying the Switch Beauty beauty blender, and this is apparently super soft. I'm not going to use it wet, I'm going to use it dry because I want to test how soft she is. Yeah, let's try this. Switch Beauty is just forever killing it. Like, have they ever launched a bad product? No. Wow, it blends so quickly and it's so soft on my skin. Love, love, love. Now for the contour sticks. This actually comes in a trio. But I only use 2. Okay guys, time for this gorgeous highlighter. And this is called the Crystallized Highlighter in Optimistic. Like, how extra can y'all be? Oh my goodness, she is so pretty. Look at that. Ooh. Actually like a purpley highlighter. Ooh. That is very pretty. Oh, it matches the eyes, y'all. It matches the eyes. I'm dying. And you know what I like? It's not like bam in your face. It's like a soft highlight. But when you turn, it's just like, damn, where did that come from? For bronzer, I'm going to be using the BR04, which is the lighter version of BR03. And I'm just going to apply that over my cream contour. Apply that same cream eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow, underneath my eye. Wow, that is super cool. Now for my mascara, and I'm using the Super Fan mascara by Smashbox. Now for my brows, I'm going to be using the Soap Trick again, and I'm going to be spraying the Smashbox Photo Finish on my Discam soap. I'm using a spoolie, getting some product on there, and then just brushing my hairs upward to get that wolf look. That's how I feel when I have my fluffy brows on, and I love it. I'm going to be applying Heart Healer in the Cover Shop Crystallized palette, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Also on my brow bone. And on my highlights. Just to get some extra highlight over there. And now I'm going to be applying the Hoodwitch liquid lipstick. This is the Metal, and it's shade Dark Crystal. Whoa, that is cool. I'm just going to be adding some extra hairs with my Flormar brow pen, like I usually do, to get it a bit more fluffy. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and the review on the new Hoodwitch collection by Smashbox. I am so in love with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. The packaging, what's inside the packaging is even better. But yeah, I'm very impressed. I love the highlighter. The liquid eyeshadows are stunning. And also, I've always loved the always on liquid lipsticks, so I'm not going to stop loving it now. But I do like the new shades that they launched in this collection. And then I'm just going to finish it off with my Love Ritual, and this is the scent jasmine and rose, and I love everything rose because it smells amazing to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and if you want to see anything specific in my next video, comment down below, give me your suggestions. Yeah, thank you guys.